Want to start using the YouTube app on your smartphone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download YouTube, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in YouTube at the top. Tap YouTube when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using YouTube. That's all it takes to download the YouTube app. Want to listen to YouTube in the background without having the app open on your screen? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.